Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhinder East. Today's topic is subject C programming language and topic is chapter number 2, decision control and loop control, part 1. The learning course outcomes are introduction, control statement, decision making statements are if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, and else if ladder. Introduction. Statements in a programs are normally executed sequentially in order in which they appear in the program. But number of times it is necessary to change the sequence of program or to repeat some statements number of times. C language allows the user for decision making and change the sequence of program using control or decision making statements. Control statement. If statements in C is used to control the program flow based on some condition, it's used to execute some statement code block if the expression is evaluated to true, otherwise it will get skipped. This is simplest way to modify the control of flow of the program. The if statement in C can be used in a various forms depending on the situation and complexity. Control statements are decision making statement, selection statement, looping statement and jump statements. Decision making statements. Decision making statements in programming language divides the direction of flow of program execution. Decision making is about deciding the order of execution of the statements based on a certain condition or repeat or a group of statements until certain specified conditions are met. Decision making structures require that the programming specifies one or more conditions to be evaluated or tested by the program, along with the statements or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. So decision making statements are if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement and else if ladder. If statement. If statement is the most simple and decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or a block of statements will be executed or not. So that is, if a certain condition is true, then block of statement is executed, otherwise not. The syntax is if condition, in bracket we have to give the condition, on that condition if statement is run. In the curly braces we have to give the statements according to the condition. If the condition is true, then the block of the if statement is true. Flowchart of if statement is start. Give the condition of in if it is true, then it will run the body part and give the statement and exit. If the condition is false, then it will give the statement according to the false statement and exit. If else statement. If the statement alone tells that if condition is true, it will execute a block of statements, and if the condition is false, it won't. But what if we want to do something else if the condition is false? So here comes the else statement. So we can use the else statement with the statement executed a block of code when the condition is false. That means previous statement is only if statement. It's only give the output of the true statements. Here if the if statement is false, so we have to after the false statement we have to give another result. So that time we use the if and else statement also. So if condition is true, then the if block is run. If the condition is getting false, then the else block is executed. If else statement syntax and flowchart is start. If condition is true, then if body will execute. If the condition is false, then it gives the statement about the exit. Nested if statement. A nested if in C is an if statement that is the target of another if statement. The nested if statements means an if statement inside the another if statement. If as both C and C program C++ allows us to nested if statements within if statements. That is, we can place an if statement inside another if statement. Syntax is if condition 1 in curly parenthesis if condition 2, then execute the condition 1 is true, then execute when the condition 1 is true, and close the parenthesis. Start if the condition is true, if body run, and run the statement of before exit. If the condition is false, then nested if condition is executed. If the nested if condition is true, the nested if body will execute and then exit. If the nested condition is false, then the else body will execute and then exit. If else if ladder. Here a user can decide among a multiple options. The C if statements are executed from the top down. So if the conditions controlling if is true, the statement associated that if is executed and rest of the C else if ladder is bypass. If none of the conditions are true, then the final else statements will be executed. The syntax is if condition is true, then the if block will execute, else another if block will execute according to the condition, and rest of the last else block will execute. Start condition 1 is true, then statement 1 is executed. If condition 1 is not true, then condition 2 will check the condition is true or not. If true, then statement 2 will display. If statement condition 2 is also false, then statement condition 3 will be executed and statement 3 will printed. Otherwise 1, 2, 3 all are wrong, then the else body will executed and display the output. Thank you.